The European rivalry for North America intensified in the 17th century as France and England joined Spain as colonizing nations. Together, the Europeans threatened the Indians' hold on the continent. The French settled along the St. Lawrence River, which provided access to lands populated by fur-bearing animals and Indian peoples eager for trade. The immense profits from the fur trade sustained New France's development. The French colonists were few in number, congregating in Quebec, Montreal, and a few scattered outposts. Jesuit priests established several missions and converted thousands of Indians to Catholicism. An elaborate royal bureaucracy managed New France, defending it with forts and professional soldiers, but allowing no provision for local self-government.